Hi guys, here is how you can get a classic start menu for Windows. To get the classic start menu, we need to download some application. So let me go to my browser. Now we need to install this OpenShell to get the classic start menu. And this application is very easy to use. And I will provide the link to this GitHub page. Anyway, let's download it. Click on Downloads, scroll down, and let's download this exe file. So the download has been completed. So in folder, double click to install it. Next, accept the terms, next, and install. So the installation is completed. Click on finish. You can close this off. So the installation is done. Now you can choose any style you want. Let me go with this one and click OK. And if you click on the start menu, you will see the classic start menu. As you can see, these are the old styles. If you want to change style, search for OpenShell and change the style as you want. You can also replace the start menu button. You can choose the custom button too. I will untick this for now and OK. So here is the old start menu. If you click on this start menu Windows, you will get the Windows 11 defaults menu. You can also move this menu to the left. Go to taskbar settings, scroll down, click on taskbar behavior and choose left. And this is how it looks. And this is the default Windows 11 menu. By the way, if you do not like it, simply uninstall OpenShell from the control panel. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.